Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video, we got another RLC car. This is the 1964 Jaguar E-Type. This thing looks pretty cool from all the pictures I've seen, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this, and we're going to check it out. I just cut the tape on this, so I'm going to go ahead and open it for the first time. There we go. And right off the bat, I would point out that this is a numbered car. So as you can see right there, it's out of 30,000. It's 1,433 out of 30,000. This is the box, which actually looks really cool. If you guys want to pause that and read it, you can. And then obviously the Hot Wheels on the top. But let's go ahead and unbox it. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Wow, I really like that casting. It's got obviously like the rubber tires, got the Jaguar logo up in the top and then the RLC logo. But obviously the hood is wide open there and you can see that. Man, this is a really nice car. Oh, there we go. Wow. So let me go ahead and I'm going to take off the... Actually, it doesn't look like it's screwed down. Normally these RLC cars are actually screwed down in place. This one has like a little plastic piece that it's sitting on and there's no screws on the bottom. So that's pretty interesting. I'm going to go ahead and pop the top acrylic case off and we can go ahead and check it out closer. Alright, so actually didn't have to take the case off all the way. The car just lightly came out. There's a little plastic piece up in here to keep the hood open. Let's see if I can maybe take that out. Wow, that's actually another interesting thing. Is normally you see a like rivet on the underside. This one has like an actual screw, like the little triangle shaped screw right there. And there's only one, so that's actually pretty interesting. So I don't know if the intent of this was to be able to take it apart, swap out wheels, but I'm sure some people are going to do that. It says RLC type as the license plate. It says Jaguar on the back. But look at that engine. Like, that looks really cool. I'm trying not to fingerprint the car, so I'm trying to hold it by the wheels. But let me take that plastic piece out of the engine bay and try to show you guys the engine up in there, which that detail is just absolutely amazing. And they got the little mirrors up there on top of the trunk, or on top of the front, what are we going to call that? There we go. And then obviously with the front closed, that looks really nice. Like, this is such a nice casting. There's like the front end of the car. It focuses. There we go. This is such a cool car, and being able to have it out like this is also kind of interesting. Wow, this is a really nice casting. I'm not a huge fan of Jaguar, but obviously they've captured the shape of this body very, very well. And that color is just amazing. You see like how reflective it is with that Spectraflame green. See like the microphone on top of the camera there. But wow, this is an amazing casting. The interior is very detail oriented as well. It's kind of hard to see through there, but like, this is incredible. And I do like that bottom side, how they actually did the exhaust and everything. It's a dual central exit. But it's really interesting that they put a screw there instead of rivets. And then the other RLC cars are usually screwed into like the base of the case. So it's very interesting that this one is not. So I'm going to go ahead and put the little plastic piece back in there. And then we're just going to go ahead and pop this back into the case here. That was actually super easy. And wow, that just like that is back. That is such an incredible car. And like I said, this is a numbered car too, which is usually what a lot of collectors enjoy. We can see like the actual like production number of this car. But I do have a couple more of these coming, so if you guys are interested, you can check out the link in the description down below. You can hop on to Macari, and using my link and my code, you guys can get $10 off your first purchase. And then whenever you sell up to $100 worth of stuff, you can get an additional $20 back. But like I said, I will have one of these listed on there, maybe two. So definitely see that. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and I have a lot more videos coming soon with Hot Wheels case unboxings, other RLCs, and upcoming Hot Wheels NFT cars, because I did get some of those in from Series 3. So those are going to be awesome when I do that video. So definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.